Today for the Bitcoin price. Guys, I have shocking data, evidence and proof that the whales are planning the next big move on Bitcoin and on Ethereum. If you are asking yourself, Chris, what kind of proof could this be? Wait until the very end, smash up the like button, watch this video, make as much noise for the algorithm as possible. And let's obviously hope, let me pull it out, that the next green candle, the next weekly candle for Bitcoin is going to have this color and not this color right here, right? If you want to have this color, smash up the like button, leave your comments down below, and let's go straight into the content for Bitcoin. I will start with the charts and then go over into these insane findings I have to share with you today. Smash up the like button. Let's go straight into it. Let me go straight into. And as you can see, Bitcoin is here still above our very important horizontal resistance, which is now turning into support and actually perfectly holding. The question is, are we getting the bounce here very soon? Because the longer we are going to test here, the more we are weakening the support, the more we are weakening actually the buying pressure from the bulls. So we have to get this bounce here very soon. We have to get this bounce. In fact, this week, we have to break above. In fact, above the $48,000 rejection point, previous one of Bitcoin, to actually look out for my price targets of 56,000. I was actually posting my April price targets are Bitcoin 55,000, Ethereum $4,950. I stick with these price targets as long as Bitcoin stays above the $44,000 level. I said it in the last crash to the downside. I said as long as we stay above 44,000, I remain bullish. People laughed at me and you saw we got the exact support right here. This is the important support to hold. As long as we are holding it, I remain bullish. Once we break it and close below, I will close my Bitcoin trade in a break even. My Ethereum trade looks a little bit different because if we break down, I might take an L on that one. Of course, it's a small trade, but this is the life of a trader. My Bitcoin trade right now, $83,000 in a profit, 84,000 now, 85,000 now. And the Ethereum trade, $6,000 in a loss. So I am keeping this one here updated. The Ethereum indicator as a leading indicator is actually right now showing that, let me quickly eliminate that the potential breakout for Bitcoin is actually more likely than breaking the $44,000 here to the bottom. This is what I wanted to talk about. But guys, this is by far, by a big distance, not the most important thing to talk about today, because in the end of the day, the smart money, the whales are moving the market still. We are far from the gold market, far from the stock markets, derivative markets. This is still an immature, small and to be manipulated market, unfortunately. So let's go straight into these data points, because what we can see here, the supply not moved in the last 1 year. So the lower this line goes, the more hodlers we have actually in the last 1 year, right? So whenever this one is low, we are within a bear market. And actually whenever this is low, sorry, I'm completely different. Whenever this is low, of course, we have a low supply not move and we are actually topping out, right? Man, I'm here on my way to an appointment, so I completely flipped it. So whenever we are high, of course, whenever we have a high amount of hodlers, that's when the smart money is in charge. Whenever we have a low amount, excuse me for the small mistake here, I really have to go. Whenever we have a small amount of hodlers, that's when, of course, the retail is in charge, right? So you can see a small amount of hodlers at the bull market high in 2017. You can see 61.2% at the basically bear market 2016, right? Same thing right here, 63.5%. The hodlers were in charge, high hodl ratio, and the price was just before breaking out. The price was just going sideways at $9,000. Same thing right here. Well, and now, of course, we are going very, very high. You can see it, 36.1%, just as earlier, which indicates we are coming close to the previous levels where we were actually close, or like where we are actually just before a massive bull run. So this indication shows the hodlers are in charge. Supply not moved at least 1 year is approximately or almost at an all-time high. The next one is the short-term holder spend output profit ratio. Sounds complicated, but it is in the end of the day a very similar thing, because the short-term holders are the exact opposite of the whales. Whenever the short-term hodlers, this is the black line, are in a loss, this is the moment whales are looking out for scooping up Bitcoin, and we are just before, like just close to the next bull run. And we can see that every now and then, every time, actually 2 times per cycle, or at least like 1 big time per cycle, the short-term hodlers being significantly negative in their profits. Whenever the short-term hodlers are negative in their profits and the long-term hodlers are positive, or like break even or whatever, this is the moment we are just very, very close. Let me go back. Very close to the next big run towards the upside for Bitcoin. So I am getting very ready right now, not only with my hodling portfolio, but also with scooping up Bitcoin and actually looking out for the next altcoin purchases. Leave your favorite altcoins down below, because I want to cover more altcoins here in the immediate future. Down below, you will also find an almost $10,000 bonus, completely for free. By the way, I still have to change it. It's actually $4,650, the highest bonus you will find on YouTube. Down below, pin comment, click the links, make your own account, and after your initial deposit, the deposit requirements are on the website, of course, you will get these bonuses for free, with which you can trade and withdraw the profits from this free trade as well. Thank you so much for watching, guys. You are truly a force for good. And as always, guys, like, so we don't get these colors here on the candlestick. We want to have these colors. Thank you so much for watching. And as always, guys, as always, bye bye.